Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2010 GMC Acadia and I will show you the location of radio fuses. So in case your radio is not powering up or there is no sound coming from the speakers, there is a couple of fuses you can check and hopefully one of them is burnt and that will fix your problem. This video applies to GMC Acadias made from 2007 all the way up to 2017. The fuse box, which holds the three fuses you have to check, is located in the passenger cabin just under the glove box. Okay, so I turned the flash on my phone so you can see it better. So to access the fuse box, actually there is like this small cover right here, which you just have to pull down and it just opens up, and on the inside edge of this cover you also have a nice fuse diagram. Okay, I will also show you the fuse diagram in my owner's manual. So you would be checking three fuses. First one, you have the RDO fuse, so that's your radio fuse. This one is responsible for the power to your radio. Then just below it you have the infotainment fuse, and then you have the amplifier fuse. You want to check this one in case there is no sound coming from the speakers. So those are the three fuses you want to check, and now I will show you the location of them in a fuse box. Okay, it's not really the easiest to access this fuse box, so bear with me. Okay, and the amp fuse, which I was mentioning, is this green one, 30 amps. You want to check this one in case there is no sound from the speakers. Okay, and then in the second row, if you check the 10 amp fuse, that's the infotainment fuse, and one just above it, the 15 amp blue fuse, that's your radio fuse, so that's power to the radio. And hopefully one of these will be burned, and just by replacing it you'll be able to fix your radio issues. Okay, thank you for watching this very short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.